What's going on, guys? Welcome. Look what I'm getting today, guys. Haircut. I need one really bad. I'm just doing math homework and watching YouTube videos. Pretty cool. So I'm just gonna do that until I'm done, and then I'm gonna go get a haircut, and I'll be back with you guys later. Alright? Let's go get my haircut right now. Pretty cool. I just checked my YouTube channel. It's not on, actually. I just showed the desktop. And I hit 100,000 video views on my main channel. That's insane. Holy crap, guys. Thank you so much. Very needed, Mom. Very needed haircut.
You barely needed it?
Very needed.
Very needed?
Yeah. I like it. I miss having short hair.
I'm short to me.
Alright, guys, I'm wearing a different shirt. Boom. Look at that. Signed and everything. But yeah, I'm just chilling. Pretty cool. Hey, Mel. Hi. So I just recorded a 20-minute video that I have to edit down and probably make it only like 5 minutes. You'll see it later. Actually, bless me. But actually, it will already be out by the time this vlog goes up because this is going up tomorrow. So, yeah. Pretty cool, right? Right, man? Yeah, she thinks it's pretty cool. But yeah, I'm just gonna probably edit the video right here. Baby, I'm gonna do that. You're gonna do me. Right now? No, you do you, and I'll do me, alright? Alright, so I'm just gonna chill, finish editing the video, and I'll see you guys. I'm probably gonna exercise later, because usually I have hockey tonight, and I don't, so I'm just gonna exercise. But that's how I roll. Well, the video got corrupted. So the audio file was like echoey and it doubled, you know? So I need to redo the video or do a different video because I don't know if I'm gonna redo the video. I might play the second game because I did Impossible Quiz, and I don't want to redo the same game, so I know all the answers. So I'm gonna probably do the second Impossible Quiz or something like that. I'm not really sure yet. I might just do another surfing video because that was kind of my plan for the thing, and that took a while to set up and record. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go today. I have tape in my finger. I don't know why. I'm gonna throw that in the trash, Kobe, and I missed. I'm just gonna go work out a little bit. So. Actually, come along. I have to find weights. Alright, guys, so I'm going old school. Not too old school. I'm playing Call of Duty Black Ops 2. Because I gotta get in the mood for Call of Duty, guys. I pre-ordered Black Ops 3, if you guys don't know, which we're gonna be making a bunch of videos on. I pre-ordered it for the Xbox One, only because at the time... Oh, crap. At the time, Black Ops 3 for the PC... It was really nice at the beginning, but then I didn't really like it because I've always been a Call of Duty controller fan. I cannot play Call of Duty with a mouse and keyboard, and it just feels different on a Xbox. But anyways, so we got my 360 right here. Oh crap, right here, and we got my Xbox One right there. Because you guys know my setup kind of right here. If I make videos, I move everything right onto my desk just to make a video or live stream or something like that. But yeah, I'm trying to play Black Ops 2, but it has a bunch of scratches on it, which I don't know if you can see, but you could, I don't know. I'm just gonna try something that used to work all the time. It was a method I would use to get scratches out of my 360 games, but it probably won't even work. So, I'm in my bathroom. Let me just put the camera right here. Hopefully that doesn't fall, which it probably will. Oh, crap. You got the game with a bunch of scratches, dude. So I take soap. This is girly because I have a sister, or 2 sisters, but only one of them lives here. I would put soap all around this. Barely works, but there's like no soap in here. And then I would literally just spread it around. Oh yeah, looking hot. I would put it everywhere on this disc. It's gonna be a little bit better if you have a disc cleaner. But, you know, this works too. And then just wash it. Like, just put it in water and wash the thing. Alright? I'm just trying to get all the soap out of this. Alright. Now it looks like super clear. And then you just wipe it off, because you don't want to put water in your Xbox. That's a good idea, right, guys? Yeah. You do not want water in the Xbox. So, it looks like half the scratches are gone. You can't really see, because it's, not transparent, but you can, it's like a mirror, and you can see it, but there's way less scratches now than there was, so that's good. Let's see if this works, but I do have another method if it does not work, and hope this works, so I don't feel like doing the other method. It's going to take too long, and I want to get back into the mood of Call of Duty. And I'm a Prestige 9 in Black Ops 2, so, you know. Alright, guys. Reading. And this is what happens before, but it stays on a black screen. So, moment of truth here. And nope. Alright. That sucks, but let's go to games, I guess, and freaking so stupid, man. I gotta go all the way over, all the way over here, and then, where is it? Oh, wait, actually, no, I have to search it up. That's fine. Black. Let me search Black Ops. Oh, wait. Good camera angle, by the way. By me. Of course, Black Ops 2. And then, I gotta install the game into my... What, dude? What the hell? This is weird. It's weird. Download again? Oh no, it's a game add-on. Where is my game? Game details. Can I install it? It says purchase? What the heck, dude? It doesn't even read it as a disc. This is stupid. Why? It's so stupid, dude. Let me try and do something. I'll be right back. So I'm literally going to try a different method because I really want to play Black Ops 2. I have my cloth for my glasses, which are right here. Oh, right here. I never wear them, though. So I'm going to take this and, yeah. There's barely any scratches, and I don't know why that's not working. Actually, there's very small scratches, but I'm going to try and get rid of them. So, what I'm going to do is I'm back in here. So, I'm not going to use the, what do you call it, the soap anymore, because that didn't work. I wish I had, like, screen cleaner or something like that, which I think I actually do, to be completely honest, but at the moment, I do not know where that is. So, I'm gonna take toothpaste. Yep, I know. Everyone loves toothpaste. I'm just gonna put it around the corners and then I have to smear it in. Alright, there we go. I'm gonna do that and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm gonna let that sit for a couple minutes. Bless me. I'm gonna go look for the disc cleaner, so I'll be right back. So I found Windex right here. Oh. So let's hope that works if the toothpaste does not. Honestly, guys, I will be surprised if this does not work. It is crystal clear. Very lightly. I don't want to scratch it. Here we go. My God. Please, 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 please. Please, please, please. Please, please, please. Dude, I'm just praying right now. It's taking an awful long time to load. Come on, dude. You can pull through this. Don't you die on me. Still black screen. Still black screen. I don't know what to say about this anymore, guys. Nothing's even showing up anymore. It's just a black screen. Do I press something on my controller? I don't know. What if here, I'm just gonna leave it here, alright? I'll leave it here for a while. I'm probably gonna play a game of CSGO. I'm gonna come back, and this better be on. I swear to God.